Here's a detailed script outline for a YouTube video explaining the working of the kidneys, broken down into sections for easy narration and visuals. 1. Background music begins. 2. Visuals, animation showing the body with highlighted kidneys. 3. Narration. The kidneys are small, but incredibly powerful organs that play a huge role in keeping our body healthy. In today's video, we are diving deep into how these amazing organs work to keep us alive and functioning. Scene 1. Introduction to kidneys. 1. Visuals. Close-up of kidneys, possibly a 3D model. 2. Narration. Located just below the rib cage on either side of the spine, our kidneys are shaped like beans and each about the size of a fist. Though they might seem small, the work they do is enormous. Let's break down the main tasks they perform. Scene 2. Structure of the kidney. 1. Visuals. A detailed diagram or animation showing the inside of the kidney. 2. Narration. Each kidney contains approximately 1 million tiny filtering units called nephrons. Nephrons are where all the magic happens. They consist of the glomerulus, a tiny cluster of blood vessels, and a series of tubules that perform filtration, reabsorption, and secretion. Scene 3. Blood filtration process. 1. Visuals. Show animation of blood flowing into the kidney, passing through the glomerulus. 2. Narration. Blood enters the kidney through the renal artery. Inside the nephron, the blood first passes through the glomerulus, a network of capillaries. Here, small waste products, water, and salts are filtered out from the blood. This fluid, called glomerular filtrate, then moves through a series of tubules, where further processing occurs. Scene 4. Reabsorption. 1. Visuals. Animation of glomerular filtrate flowing through the tubules, with arrows showing the reabsorption of essential substances. 2. Narration. Not everything in the filtrate gets discarded. As the fluid passes through the proximal convoluted tubule, essential substances like glucose, amino acids, and a portion of water and salts are reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. This ensures that the body retains nutrients it needs. Scene 5. The loop of Henle. 1. Visuals. Animation of the loop of Henle, showing how water and salts are reabsorbed. 2. Narration. Next, the filtrate moves into the loop of Henle. Here, water is reabsorbed back into the blood, making the filtrate more concentrated. This process also helps regulate the body's sodium and potassium balance. Scene 6. Distal convoluted tubule. 1. Visuals. Show the distal convoluted tubule and the fine-tuning process of iron regulation. 2. Narration. In the distal convoluted tubule, the body makes final adjustments. If there's excess potassium or other waste products, they are secreted into the tubule. At the same time, important electrolytes like sodium and calcium are reabsorbed as needed. Scene 7. Collecting duct and final urine formation. 1. Visuals. Animation of the fluid flowing into the collecting duct and being formed into urine. 2. Narration. The final product moves into the collecting duct, where water is reabsorbed once more based on the body's needs. What's left now is concentrated urine, containing waste like urea, creatinine, excess salts, and other substances. Scene 8. Transport and excretion of urine. 1. Visuals. Animation showing urine moving from the kidneys through the ureters to the bladder. 2. Narration. The urine then travels through the ureters, two tubes that carry it to the bladder, where it's stored until you're ready to excrete it through the urethra. Scene 9. Hormonal regulation and other functions. 1. Visuals. Show animations of the kidneys releasing hormones, for example, renin, or erythropoietin. 2. Narration. But that's not all. The kidneys also produce hormones. Renin, for example, helps regulate blood pressure, while erythropoietin stimulates the production of red blood cells in the bone marrow. The kidneys also play a critical role in maintaining the body's pH balance by excreting hydrogen ions and reabsorbing bicarbonate. Scene 10. Fluid and electrolyte balance. 1. Visuals. Animation showing the kidneys maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance. 2. Narration. The kidneys constantly adjust the volume of urine to ensure that the body's fluid levels and electrolytes, like sodium, potassium, and calcium, are just right. This helps keep our cells functioning properly. Scene 11. Key takeaways. 1. Visuals. Recap with a diagram summarizing all kidney functions. 2. Narration. To sum up, the kidneys filter waste from the blood, regulate body fluid and electrolyte balance, maintain blood pressure, and produce important hormones. Without them, our body would not be able to function properly. Scene 12. Closing. 1. Visuals. Show the human body with kidneys highlighted, and then zoom out. 2. Narration. The kidneys are truly remarkable organs, constantly working to keep our body in balance. So, it's essential to keep them healthy by staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, and avoiding substances that could damage them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on health and science. End screen. 1. Visuals, channel logo, subscribe button, and links to other videos. 2. Background music fades out. This script ensures a detailed explanation while keeping it engaging for a YouTube audience. You can incorporate visuals like animations, 3D models, or diagrams to make the content more interactive and informative.